According to renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup will feature some exciting new color options. Kuo recently tweeted that for the iPhone 16 Pro series, the blue titanium variant will be replaced by a new rose color. This means the Pro models will be available in black, white/silver, rose, and natural titanium finishes. For the base iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models, Kuo predicts they will come in black, white, green, pink, and blue colorways. These predictions align with previous expectations, although there had been speculation about a purple iPhone 16 model. Kuo's latest insights, however, do not mention the purple option. The iPhone 16 lineup is expected to be officially announced in the fall, likely at Apple's September media event. While the design of the new models will closely resemble the iPhone 15 series, there will be some notable changes. The Pro models are expected to have slightly larger screen sizes. Additionally, the dual camera module on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will transition from a diagonal arrangement to a straight traffic light configuration. One of the most anticipated new features of the iPhone 16 series is the addition of a capture button. This capacitive button is designed to enhance the photography and videography experience by responding to different levels of pressure. Users will be able to focus the camera with a half-force press and take the shot with a full press, mimicking the functionality of traditional cameras. This innovative feature aims to provide users with greater control and precision when capturing photos and videos. Overall, the iPhone 16 lineup promises to bring exciting new color options and enhanced features, maintaining the sleek design of its predecessor while introducing useful innovations. The addition of the capture button, in particular, highlights Apple's commitment to improving user experience in mobile photography. As the anticipated September announcement approaches, more details about the iPhone 16 series are likely to emerge, building excitement among Apple enthusiasts and potential buyers.